Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will share with you some of the best YouTube channels which will help in your UPSC CSE preparation. So let's start our video. The first channel is Study IAS. In this channel, you will get several playlists like daily means answer writing practices, modern Indian history for UPSC CSE, environment and ecology, sociology optional super series, and many more other series and playlists like CSAT reasoning in 10 days. Now our second channel is Unacademy UPSC. In Unacademy UPSC playlist, you will get several videos like world history, geography by Siddharth Singh, international security, science and tech, world geography, ancient history, modern Indian history, geography. Now our third channel is Harshit Dwivedi. In this channel, you will get several playlists related to NCERT class 11th geography, NCERT class 11th history geography, class 10th history geography, class 12th economics geography, medieval history, class 12th microeconomics, and even some of the standard books playlists like Ramesh Singh and NCERT class 9th, NCERT history class 9th, NCERT class 10th geography, international relations, Indian economy, and Indian polity by M. Lakshmikant complete analysis. Now our third channel is Focus IAS PCS. The full name of the channel is Focus IAS PCS Institute. In this channel you will get several playlists regarding to physical geography, some of the important news, economic geography, polity Lakshmikant, medieval history, ancient history, and knowledge capsules, and many more playlists you will get from here. Now our fourth channel is Study for Civil Services. In this YouTube channel, you will get several playlists related to lower PCS, UPSI, and UP Junior Edit, Junior Super TET, even UPPSC, BPSC. This is a playlist of Indian freedom struggle. In this channel, you will also get the videos of history, geography, and optional subjects like geography optional, previous year analysis. Even NCERT science class 6 to 12th Papa videos. Even environment and ecology full complete course summary lectures, geography optional lecture series mains, CSAT full preparation, UPPSC 2019 prelims playlist. Our last YouTube channel is Study IQ. In this channel, you will get several playlists related to history series, polity Lakshmikant, 100 hours summary, Indian economy Ramesh Singh, Indian polity by Adarsh Gupta, Bihar current affairs, Uttar Pradesh current affairs, Karnataka current affairs, Gujarati literature for Gujarat state exams, and many more playlists. So if you like my video, then please comment, share, subscribe to my channel.